Hi, I'm Tom.
Hi Tom, I'm Daniel. Nice to meet you. I'm from Lagos, Nigeria, and I study computer science here.
Oh, I am from New York. I am a student.
What do you study at university?
I study history. It is interesting.
That's great. I enjoy computer science because I like programming and solving problems. I'm in my second year and I've worked on a few small projects with classmates.
Where do you live?
I live in a flat near campus with two friends. We cook together and sometimes we go to the library in the evenings. It is convenient.
How do you go to classes?
I usually take a bus or ride a bike when the weather is good. Last week I rode my bike every day because the weather was sunny. How about you?
I go by subway. It is fast.
Do you travel often?
Yes, I went to Chicago last month. It was fun.
I have traveled to South Africa and Ghana in the past 2 years. I visited family and I went to a tech conference in Cape Town last year. I learned a lot and met many developers. Travel helps me learn new things and meet people.
I want to go to Africa. I like music.
You should come. The music and food are wonderful. If you visit, I can show you some local places and teach you a few phrases in Nigerian Pidgin or Yoruba, depending on where you go.
Thank you. That is nice.
No problem. Let's exchange contacts and plan something when you decide to travel.
Where do you live now, Daniel?
I live in a flat near campus with two friends. We share the kitchen and sometimes study together in the living room. The flat is small but comfortable. We try to keep it clean and make a schedule for chores. Tom, Daniel.
I live in a dorm.
Dorm life can be fun. Do you have many roommates?
Yes, 2 roommates.
That's good. Having roommates is useful for practicing language and making plans. We often cook dinner together on weekends.
How do you go to class?
I usually take the bus or ride my bike if the weather is good. Sometimes I walk. Last week, the weather was sunny so I rode my bike every day. It was healthy and fast. How do you go to classes, Tom?
I go by subway. It is fast.
The subway is convenient in a big city. Do you read or listen to music on the subway?
I listen to music.
Nice. Music helps time pass. I often listen to podcasts while I travel between home and university. I like technology podcasts and interviews with developers.
Do you work?
I do freelance web development on weekends. I build small websites for local businesses. The work helps me earn some money and gives practical experience for my studies. Last month I finished a website for a coffee shop, and the owner was very happy. It felt rewarding.
That is cool.
Do you have a part-time job?
No, I study only.
Studying full-time is also important. You can always try a small job later if you want experience.
Have you traveled?
Yes, I have traveled a lot. I visited South Africa and Ghana in the last 2 years. I went to Cape Town for a tech conference last year, and I also spent time with family in Accra. I enjoy learning about different cultures, trying new foods, and meeting other students.
I went to Chicago once.
Chicago is great. The architecture and museums are wonderful. What did you like there?
I liked the museum.
Museums are a good place to learn. During my trip to South Africa, I visited museums and went on a short hike near Table Mountain. The view was amazing. I also tried local dishes and spoke with new friends at the conference. It was both fun and educational.
What food do you like?
I like jollof rice and pepper soup from West Africa. They have strong flavors and are very tasty. I also enjoy American food I tried when I visited friends, like burgers and pancakes. Food is a big part of travel. It tells a story about traditions and daily life.
I like pizza.
Pizza is universal and delicious. If you come to Lagos or Accra, I can show you some local restaurants that make great versions of dishes you will love. We can also try street food. It is often very fresh and full of flavor. What music do you like? I like Afrobeat and highlife music. In Nigeria, we also listen to Afropop and some international pop. Music connects people and is a great way to learn language and slang. I play a little guitar and sometimes sing with friends at small events near campus.
I like rock.
Thanks for watching, reading. Want more? Drop a comment and subscribe.